Hi everyone, this is the screencast for my portfolio tour. I created my ePortfolio using Google Sites. I like Google Sites because of its versatility and the ability to easily link papers, lessons, and project all from my Google Drive. This is my homepage. It contains some very important information about me along with some ways to connect with me virtually. I also have a Google form connected to my portfolio as a way for communication. My resume tab contains a little bit more information about what you might find on my resume, along with a link at the bottom that will bring up my resume. The Instructional Technology tab contains the most information since that is the graduate program that I am currently enrolled in. This IT homepage is an outline of 5 different videos that detail the importance of technology in the classroom. I created these graphics in my special topics class during the spring 2022 semester. Tools is where you can click around and view on different projects that I have created throughout the years using a variety of tools. This is my favorite page of the portfolio because it catalogs all the tools I've become familiar with during my MAAT program and examples of what I did. The Videos tab is going to have all the videos and screencasts that I have made in previous Stockton classes and in the MAIT program. Same with the Google Forms tab. This is just a short collection of different Google Forms that I have made throughout the years, though I could probably add a lot more since I now use Google Forms frequently. I created the Professional Development tab in the course Technology and Learning this past fall. It contains resources and links to further developing technology skills, abilities, and content knowledge. I added my Adult Learning tab as we wrapped up the course this week. I've outlined Malcolm Knowles' principles of andragogy while providing my screencast. I also added an outline of Tuckman's team development model that I created this semester. My Inclusive Education tab contains 2 major assignments I produced for the Inclusive Education course at Stockton University. I'm most proud of my Big Idea research project as I currently work in urban classrooms, so I'm seeing all this data firsthand. The final 2 tabs are related to my teaching and teaching philosophy. I have my philosophy linked here as a PDF. I also have a few lessons that I have produced linked here. The goal is that I will be able to add some tabs for every different course I've taught, since by the end of this year it will be a total of 10. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my screencast and feel free to click the link and view the portfolio for yourself.